Let's talk now about copying data using the copy and paste technique. Now you can find these buttons in the clipboard group up on the Home tab, copy and paste. And you also will find that I'm going to demonstrate how you can use a shortcut menu to get copy and paste available to you as well. So let's just dive right in and talk about this. I'm going to go to the data worksheet. And let's say I want to copy these 6 cells, leaving the originals here, but make a copy and place them over here. So I first select the cells that I want to copy. I go up to the clipboard group in this particular variation. I click on the copy. I now click on the destination cell where I want this rectangle to be pasted. I go back up to the Home tab clipboard group and I click on the clipboard icon and I make a simple paste. Okay, so I've pasted an exact copy of the contents of those cells here and also would copy the formatting if there was any. Okay, let's try that again. I'm going to copy these cells. This time, though, instead of using the clipboard group, I'm going to right-click into this region, and from here select Copy. And then I'm going to right-click over here and select the clipboard Paste. So it can be that simple to copy and paste from one region to another. The right mouse click technique is a very handy shortcut. So there's one more thing I want to go through, and just to point it out to you that there is more complexity to this than meets the eye. So I'm going to select these 6 cells. And you'll notice that the copy button has a drop-down arrow and the paste button has a drop-down arrow. I have not been using this part of the buttons so far, but now if I want to, I can click on that drop-down arrow, and you can see there's ways of copying this region. Copy the contents or copy as a picture. I'm just going to do a regular copy. And then when I click over here and do the paste, you'll notice the drop-down arrow gives me many variations and ways of pasting it. These exceed what we're going to be doing in this class. But let me just mention that your aim right now is to use just a regular old clipboard icon, which is the regular old paste. Okay? So when you copy and paste, start simple, but it's worth looking into some of those other copy and paste variations. So the same is true for cutting and pasting. There's a little more complexity than meets the eye. But if you need to do it at the simple level, both cutting and pasting and copying and pasting are relatively straightforward operations.